Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fitbit app after restoring backup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your smartphone handy. Locate the Fitbit app icon on your device. Tap the icon to open the app. Once the app is launched, you will see the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, check your email or SMS for a verification code. Input the verification code in the app. Proceed by tapping Verify to continue. Once logged in, the app may prompt you to sync your device. Allow the app to access Bluetooth if prompted. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to connect your Fitbit device. After connecting, wait for the app to sync your data. Explore the dashboard to ensure all features are functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, consider restarting your device and the Fitbit app. Alternatively, you can check your internet connection. If problems persist, consult the Fitbit Help Center for further assistance. You're now ready to enjoy tracking your fitness with the Fitbit app again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.